That's why I didn't go fast.
Oh man. That shit's crooked as hell. Something we just noticed, we were about to drive this farther, but the rim is getting eaten. Look at all that. It's hitting the caliper or something and it's just eating it. There she goes.